Killer T, I hope he's watching this. I just love Killer T. I hope he's watching this. He's going to, yeah, I would love to meet Killer T. I love him. I feel like I connect with him on so many levels. His life story, his message, like I feel I can really connect with him.
And which song do you have in mind from Killer T right now?
Wow. There's this one, but I don't know if I can be able to sing it.
You can talk it.
But I can stop. So this one where he talks about like one day zvichaita chete dzimwe nguva ndinogona kutadza kupfugama ndina mata but naMwari zvichaita chete, like yeah, it just keeps him motivated.
And, yeah.
So I just love Killer. I hope he's watching.
Wow, Killer T, there you are. Snikiwe says hope you are watching, and also one day she would also want to meet
him and just have a picture, like
yeah.
I'll be so excited, I'll be so happy.
There you are, Killer T. I hope he's watching and you'll also be able to come and you guys again. If you just want a picture.
Yeah, just a picture. Or you can even take me out just for drinks. I can just talk to him. Like
No. You take him out for drinks.
Okay.
So
yeah, I'll take him out since I'm the one who likes him.
Yes.